This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Wix. First, create your free Wix account and select an e-commerce template that suits your brand. Next, navigate to your store manager to begin adding your products. Ensure each product has a compelling description, high-quality images, and accurate pricing. Finally, set up your preferred payment methods, such as credit card processing or PayPal, to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. This foundational setup is crucial for launching your online store successfully. Once your initial products are added, it's time to optimize your catalog. Organize your items into logical collections, making it simple for shoppers to find what they need. Enhance each product page by adding engaging videos or customer testimonials. Don't forget to offer product variations, such as different sizes, colors, or materials, to cater to diverse customer preferences. This level of detail and organization significantly improves the shopping experience and can boost your conversion rates. Managing the logistics of your online store is straightforward with Wix. Configure your shipping rules, allowing you to set rates based on region, product weight, or order total. Implement automatic tax calculations to ensure compliance across various locations. For payments, integrate multiple secure gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Square, offering your customers flexibility and trust. Properly setting up these essential back-end functions ensures smooth transactions and a professional operation for your growing business. To truly grow your Wix store, effective marketing is key. Leverage Wix's built-in SEO tools to improve your visibility on search engines, helping potential customers discover your products. Create enticing promotional coupons and discounts to attract new buyers and reward loyal ones. Furthermore, connect your store to popular social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to expand your reach and engage with a broader audience. These strategies are vital for driving traffic and increasing sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.